Hi guys, this is Jack here from DNA FIFA, and today I will be doing a 3 million coin pack opening on FIFA 15. I did actually just go onto FIFA and use the discount code MOM for 5% off and ordered 3 million coins and 100k packs. Right, I ordered 3 million coins, which really cheap. I think it cost me about fiver. So yeah, this will probably be a weekly thing. I'll probably spend €5 on this. So yeah, as you can see, 100k packs there. So let's get on to our first 100k pack. A good player would be good because we haven't got a solid squad. Handanovic isn't a good way to start it off at all. We do get some alright players, you know, not really. We do get Victor Valdez, who are sent to the transfer because he might be worth a little bit actually. Hernandez might be worth a little bit. Gabriel, no, not really. You get Hazard, but he's a troll one. Quick sell, all of that for 13k. It's a nice budget there. Now let's spend some more. We get Vitola. These aren't going very good, are they? And yeah, we don't really get anyone in that pack by the looks of it. Marshall, but he's the Monaco version. Wait, what the hell? Right, this could be a really good player. Monaco. Okay. Zag. That's a little bit weird. He's like really rare, I swear. Hang on a sec, guys. I just go and check this because that is odd. I'm telling you. Marshall, check market price. Oh, okay. Okay, obviously, oh, maybe he's normal on this game to be the Monaco badge. Oh no, but anyway, he goes for a nice 10k or something. Ooh, I don't want to do that. These 100k packs so far, not too promising. Hopefully, we do get someone good in this pack opening. Aspilicueta, really? Morata, he could go for a little bit. Lennon, no. Turbe. I'll put him on the transfer for now, but I might want to keep some of them. Austin, Baba might go for a little bit. Lampard goes for like 2k, but I just quick sell him. Can't be bothered to sell him. Right, let's open 5 more 100k packs. Oh yes, that is a good pull. Chiellini, that is a solid pull there. And Casillas. That is a good pull there. Maybe getting us off to a good start there. Chiellini, 90 defending. What a pull that in. What a pull indeed. And now let's quick sell the rest and get on. Right, 5 more by the looks of it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Divigi, oh my god. We have spent a lot on this. But come on. Hopefully you do get someone else decent. Townsend, I'll probably keep, but I'll just send it to the transfer. Baba and Guarin, that is a solid pull there. Also, Tiote Storing Club, just because I love him on this game. And the rest can be quick, so... Oh my god, come on. No luck, 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 no luck. And I'm going to look in 3, and a 2, and a 1. Okay, please, Rondon. Oh, Iniesta! Oh, that is an amazing pull there. What a Sal, I would like to store him in club. I love his card. Iniesta, what a pull that is. Must go for a decent amount of coinage. The rest of them can be quick sold yet, though. I think I'm gonna spend. Another 10 packs or 100k packs, because then I think I'm gonna spend. Oh, that's a decent pull, 92 pace. Because I think then I'm gonna spend the rest on 35k until we get down to 1 mil. I'll spend it on 100k packs is what I mean. Come on, go to transfers, please, mate. Did that guy have some pace on him? No, 65 on a defender. I thought it was like 90 or something. Townsend, okay. Be a Biani. Okay, got some. Okay, we actually got some decent players from that pack. That's alright. Quick salvo. Remain the rest of that. Come on, come on, come on. I'm not looking again because no look packs got me good last time, and hopefully it did again because I'm not looking. And I'm gonna look on 3 and a 2 and a 1 now. Oh, Santi Cazorla. Oh, Santi Cazorla. Okay, that is probably our best pull in this pack. That is solid. Send that to transfer. Yeah, probably our best pull. Lucas. Oh my god, this pack. Oh, Tony Cruz. What the hell's going on? What the hell is literally going on? Definitely that's our best pack so far. Oh my god, I'm Raheem Sterling. Solid pack there. Martins as well. Who I shouldn't have sent to transfer because I want to keep him, but oh well, I'll just send it to a newer hoe. I will store in club. Nacho Monreal I will actually store in club because I have no good BPL left backs. This guy I'll probably store as well, just because the pace. Quick Sal the remaining left. That was we've had some solid pulls so far. Yeah, hang on, Mum, the little pack opening. Can you shut the door, Mum? Motta, that's not so good. Oh, she doesn't. I'll be back in a minute, guys. I'll store Rojo in club and then I'll be back in a minute. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Ioga, Crystal. Okay, by the looks of it, I'm just gonna quick sell this. Cameron, he actually looks pretty solid. Motta, you know what? We can give him a nice try. Lukaku might go for a little bit. Same with Kyle Walker, but we'll store him in club, and so we store him in club. Receive a nice 11k from that pack, and now let's open some more until we get down to 1 mil. Victor's Valdez. I forgot I'm gonna do a no look pack because Remy. Okay, Remy. That's alright. We're gonna have to start storing these into club now. Sad to say because the things we want we're gonna have to store. Okay, no look packs always do me good, so let's do another no look pack. And yeah, I'm going to look in a 3, in a 2, in a 1. Our life is good, and now probably not good again. Oh my god, why is it good every flipping time? Cavani, that is a nice pull indeed. Lucio Ogbonna, that's also a solid pull. Lichstein looks like a solid pull, but I just can't be able to put him anywhere, so I'll just quick sell him. Alex Vidal, nice if we had. It'd be nice if we had the proper Vidal. Oh god, no luck again. And I look in 3 and 2 and 1. Bonner, no, oh Correa, I thought it was over Bonner again. Drogba, Rondon, Hernandez, Zuma, Nazari. Probably was like, oh my god, it's the god. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to quick sell you though. Hang on, ma'am, I can't. Seriously. My mum is literally gonna rage because I still got so many coins to go. She wants me to have my tea, but I just can't. Coke. Damian. That is solid. Coke. Not Storming Clapian. Nice little guy to play with. That sounds really wrong, doesn't it? Yeah, I just realised that. Nice little guy to play with. That really sounds messed up. Oh my god, yeah. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. That wasn't real. Oh my god. Why not open a 35k pack? We haven't opened one of these. That's why we don't open them. Oh my gosh, the hell is that? Compared to, I just don't even want to look. I don't think. No, just screw it. I don't care if there's a free pack in there. Bye. I think I'll stick to the 100k packs. Skip it. Can you feel it? Oh, Danny Rose. I will keep him. So we didn't get any good players in that pack. Bet you. Quick sell it. No, it was showing us high player. Okay, I'm not looking in this pack. I will not look in this pack. I will not look. And I will look now. Oh my god, this looks like a shocking pack. You know what I love in this pack? Like Gerard. Oh my god! What the hell's going on? What the hell was that? I just randomly said, you know what I'd love in this pack is in Gerard's, because just for the pure fact that I've never actually played with him in this game before. So I'm like, yeah, I would like to test out Gerard. Oh, who's that? It's Gerard. Caceres. Oh, no. Caceres. Keep quick sell all of the rest of the dog. Okay, I'm just going to spend all on 100k packs. Why not? Okay, got the room pack. Bye. Back in the room. And I will look in 3 and a 2 and a 1. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Gareth Bale. What? What the hell? No way. Ankadera, okay. Flip me. What? No, transfer list is full. Storm Club, sorry. No, there's so many good players. I'm sorry, Van Persie, I'm going to have to quick sell you. This could be bad moment. This could be a bad moment. This really could be a bad moment. Hang on, Mum, I'm on 1 mil. 10 last packs. God, I can't believe I got Gareth Bale in that info. Gareth Bale, Ribery. Oh my god, what's a pack opening this has been? I could probably buy them all for my money, but the pure fact that I got my packs is just like good. That name goal in there is a decent pull. Diabolicos for like 20k, but I just can't be bothered. I can't be bothered with any of these guys. Oh shoot, we got Sturridge. Oh my god, no, sorry mate. Oh god, I'm Remy. Oh, there were so many good players in that pack. What my transfer list is for. Oh my god, no, I just can't discard him. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Oh well. Dead on 1 mil now, so we got about 10 packs. Maybe 11. That guy again. It's quite annoying actually getting that guy. He looks so weird. Just not really a good player to be fair. Piszczek, I would like to have for my BBVA squads when I make them, because I do make BBVA squads quite a lot. Spin on the chair pack. Woo! And a turn around. Oh, Sergio Busquets. Okay, that's an 86 rated pull there. Which I'm not complaining about that. I'll happily store that in my club. Gaetan, yeah, he's alright. He's alright, lads. Spin around the chair pack again. Spin, wee, and a stop. And Aubameyang. 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 Oh, okay. Aubameyang. Okay, he's actually... What the hell does that badge say on it? Okay, what the hell? That is just the weirdest thing I've ever saw. That's actually like cursed me for life. Yeah, I'm just that's just not right. Knob on a badge. You can't have that. It should be illegal. Hang on, Mum. That's my last 7 packs, Mum. Xabi Alonso. He actually is really decent price. And so does Balassi. Xabi Alonso. Yeah, I don't know. He could go for a little bit. Lucas will still in the club. Xabi Alonso probably goes for about 10k or something. But, you know, oh well. Can't be bothered for the first today because the tube's on track. Down to my last 5 packs, Mum. Don't worry. I just keep keeping my own today. Down to my last 5 packs, Mum. Don't worry. Can't be bothered for the first today because the tube's on track. Come on. To be fair though, I did get some good players, but I'm running low on good players at the moment. I don't know, because I haven't got a good player in a long time. See? What the hell is going on? What the is going on? Yeah, drink that thing. Batchway is solid, but you know, I can just buy him with like 2k, so there's no point in me storing him in club, wasting time. Oh my god, I didn't even look at the duplicates properly. I could have got like Gareth Bale. Nah, actually, he would have flashed up, wouldn't he? Oh, okay, okay, K. That's decent. That's decent. That's decent. I'm not gonna complain with that because that is actually a decent pull. He probably goes for. I think on the Xbox he goes for 50. Oh, there's that badge again. I don't know how much. Oh, quick Sabalassi, why not? Don't know how much he goes on for here. He probably goes for about 10. Diego Alves goes for like 10, but I just can't be able to store him in the club. David Luiz, don't mind if I do. I'll store Sterling in the club, and I store him in the club. I swear I clicked quick sold Lukaku earlier. Probably did. Modric, okay, that's our best pull in a while, so I will not complain. Modric is alright. Happily store him in my club. I swear I've already got Modric, but I've got the other version from FIFA, whatever it was. FIFA 15. Martinez. I'm not even sure how much he goes for. Probably like 2k, I don't even know. Could be surprising, I don't know. But oh, we got Pele. What a pull. Okay, so it looks like we have enough for one last 100k pack and then a couple of normal packs. I'll skip it just because I know that it's definitely not going to get anything good. So just carry on. Might as well quick sat. Just press quick sat and it'll tell us. If I just press quick sat, it'll tell us that Jose Fonte was our best player. So you know, there's a bad pack that was. Then we got 60k left. Why not open that? Nyang. Ooh, not bad silver. And then we have got some regular packs. Hang on, Mum. I'm down to like my last couple of packs now. But yeah, so it's pretty obvious we're probably, unfortunately, not going to get anyone good in these last few packs. So, you know, it's been an alright pack opening. We've got Ribery, Bale, we've got our goods, we've got our bads. It wasn't the best it could go, but it was decent, so I'm pretty happy. It was worth money, I think. At least it was only £5, so I haven't wasted that much. I don't think I've even wasted my money anyway. But yeah, this is our last pack now, I think, unless we open a 5k pack or something. Can't be bothered to open a 5k pack. So yeah, I will just go through the players we pulled in our Chiellini, Iniesta, Cruz, and of course Ribery and Bale. But let's just check the market price of Bale. Okay, 400 and like 400k odd, 800k, 300k, 200k. You know, so he probably goes for around 300k or something. Ribery is gonna go for less than that, probably. Iniesta might go for a little bit, maybe 50. Okay, 179. Whatever. Here he is. Yep, 30. 30. Yeah, it was just a glitch or someone being stupid. And then, of course, in my opinion, the best part of the pack opening, Ribery, goes for 160. 125, yeah, about 150k. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that pack opening. And yeah, just hope you enjoyed it. And that was Jet from DNA FIFA signing out, doing a 3 million coin pack opening. So I will see you next time.